Hello, welcome back. I'm out in the shop today and I've got a little project. It's probably going to be a lathe project. Let me show you. I'm Glenn Nowakowski and you're watching Glenn Now on YouTube. The project, I want to take this. It's like a fiber wire brush, and I want to adapt it onto here. I'm going to have to make some kind of adapter that goes in this ID here, and shouldn't take too long. It's going to be a little lathe project. Let's go do that. First of all, we're going to have to take this off. Got this little spanner wrench here. I believe this should be a left-handed thread. No, it's not. Not too sure how I'm going to make this. I'm going to take some measurements of this here, this here. You see the difference is how this bumps out so it goes into here and it locks on that little diameter. I might have to make something like that goes into here so that don't move around, and then make some kind of things that helps that lock on there. We'll see. Let's get into that. Okay, I finished the lathe work. I made the little bushing. Like I said, what I'm trying to do is get rid of the cutting wheel and put this buffing wheel on here. It's like a wire brush, but it's some kind of fibers. It says it could handle 12,000 RPMs. According to this, it says don't put anything on here that can't handle at least 11,000 RPMs. So I'm in there by 1,000 RPMs. You see this thing moves around, it's too low. I had to take this off. This goes on here. and it helps lock this into place. And then, of course, this screws on there. I had to take all that off and put that bushing on there that I made. 5/8 diameter. It's a 10mm through hole, and it's a little over an 1/8 inch. It's 140 thousandths. Hopefully this fits. Okay, that fits. Goes on there. Goes on there. And this will go on here. I think what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take this guard off so I can do some side stuff. Or I might just move it. I'll do that. You need to get a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, going to be using this here end like this. I want to move this further this way. Get the top, be able to get the top here, and this here side. I may end up still taking that off. It's not a good thing to encourage people to take safety devices off. But in 50 years of experience in a machine shop, I've had to do it many times. I'm not saying that's the way to go. I'm just saying I've had to do it to get the job done. Let's see if this works. Okay, here goes nothing. Doesn't seem to vibrate. Okay, I think I could start using this. Actually, I'm going to use this on the manual hand grinder I did in, that I took apart and out in the shop for 100-year-old hand grinder. manual hand grinder. I decided I'm going to paint it. I've seen a lot of people clean these things up and they sure look nice all painted. I decided I'm going to make it a gloss black, and I bought some gloss white to do the lettering on it. And that's probably going to be a wrap here. I just come out in the shop here just to get this done and thought, well, maybe you'd like to see me do a little lathe work. So until next time, enjoy.